me again, Nasra Apolona, and we're here at the Torres Farm. So isa itong sikat na resort at dinadayo ng marami. So samahan nyo ko ngayon guys, libutin or mag-around the world dito sa Torres Farm. Let's go! Hi guys, so first stop natin is the Netherland Windmill. So guys, ayan, nandito naman tayo sa Buhay Statue sa Chile. Ayan guys, so we're here at Stonehenge in England. Hi guys, so we're now here at the Paris, France. So, nasa likod ko ang sikat na Eiffel Tower. So guys, we're now here at the old Greece. The Santorini in Greece. The Korean Garden. So guys, ayan, we're here at the Torres Farm. So kita nyo naman walang tao na solo natin yung pag-tour around the world. So proceed tayo dito guys. Let's go! Pyramid and the Sphinx in Egypt. The Central Park and the Statue of Liberty in New York. So guys, we're here at different villas. At my back is the Jordan Villa, the Turkey Villa, and on my right is the Dubai Villa. The Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy. So ayan guys, ginabi na tayo at pauwi na tayo. Natapos na tayong mag-ikot at mag-swimming dito sa Torres Farm. So guys, sa susunod kong vlog, abangan nyo. Gumawa ako at nag-try akong gumawa ng pizza dito sa Amare sa loob mismo ng Torres Farm.
Gusto nyo po, tapos ano na lang?
So gano'n? Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button below. And if this is your first time to see one of my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Ring on the notification bell to keep you posted on my upcoming vlogs. Thank you for watching. Bye!